Hi, welcome to Flipgrid. When you click on the link, you'll be brought to this screen and you're going to click on Join with Google. From there, you're going to enter in your OFR5 email address and your password, and then that will bring you to our introduction page. So when you are doing your introduction video, you are going to tell me what is your name, what is your favorite thing to learn about, and then also you're going to tell me a little bit about your family. So when you're ready to record a response, you're going to click on this red Record a Response button. Once you click on that, you do need to allow your microphone and your camera to be used. And then it'll bring up a video of yourself. On there, you're going to hit this red record button, and you have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to answer those 3 questions. Your name, tell me about your favorite thing to learn about, and then about your family. So once you hit the red button, it will start recording for you. And then when you are done, you can hit the pause button and then go to next. And then when you are done, you can hit the pause. So then it will it will review your video, and then you get to take a selfie to go with your response. So you'll hit on the camera. If you don't like it, you can go back and redo it. Then hit the next button. And now you have your picture with your recording. So you can put your display name. So that would just be your name. And then hit submit. And now you are done. You will hit complete. And your video will be down here after I approve it.